Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are comparing AppSheet versus Bubble to help you decide which one code platform is better in 2025. If you want to build apps without coding, this guide will show you the strength and weakness for of both platforms. Let's dive in. So first, a quick recap. No code platforms allow you to build apps and websites without writing code. They are great for entrepreneurs, business, and creators who want to launch digital products fast. App sheets and bubbles are two of the most popular options today. So let's start with app sheets. Owned by Google, AppSheet is exactly excellent for data-driven apps and integrates seamlessly with Google Sheets, Excel, and other database. Best for business apps, internal tools, and workflow automation. Offers pre-built templates to speed up development. Then great for users who need quick development and powerful data management. Next, the Bubble. Bubble is a visual web app builder that allows for highly customized applicable applications and perfect for startups, SaaS platforms, and complex web apps. Offers drag and drop design workflows and database management. Allows more design freedom and app sheets, but comes with a slightly steeper learning curve. Great for users who want complete control over apps, logic, and interface. Here's a quick comparison. Easy of use app sheet equal to simpler for data-driven apps, and the bubble equal to more complex but more flexible. And customization app sheet equal to limited design options, and the bubble has full visual customization, and the integration equal to AppSheet equal to integrates easily with Google Workspace and spreadsheets. On the other hand, Bubble equal to can integrate APIs and external services. Best use this cases for Bubble equal to customer facing web apps and SaaS products. On the other hand, AppSheets equal to internal business apps, automations. And pricing, both have free tiers, but Bubble's paid plans are better for scalable web apps. AppSheets pricing depends on number and of users and apps complexity. So which should you choose? Choose AppSheets for if you want quick, simple business or workflow apps with minimal design needed, and choose Bubble if you want full control, custom web apps and SaaS platforms. It really comes down to your goal, app complexity, and willingness to learn the platform. That's it. So that's a full comparison of AppSheet versus Bubble in 2025. Both are powerful, no code tools, but your choose depends on whether you value is a easy of uses or full customization. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channels. Thanks for watching.